Hello and welcome to How to Guide. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can sell digital products on Etsy. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open Etsy.com on any of your browser and log into your account. What you need to do next is click on Shop Manager. After click on Shop Manager, what you need to do is go through this process. The first step is shop preferences. You should choose the language, your shop country, the shop currency. Go ahead and click on Save and Continue. After that, you must name your shop. Make sure that your topic or your name of the title of your shop should be between 4 to 20 characters. No special characters, spaces or accented letters should be there. So go ahead and name your shop and go ahead and click on Save and Continue. Now you can see that you must write down or you must initiate what you want to sell. So this is a digital art. I'm going to show you how you can do it. Just go ahead and click on Edit, which is over here, and you can scroll a bit down and find About, and you can see the title. So this must include the keywords that buyers should use to research for these items. You can see that this is a sticker for dancing. Just go ahead and write it down. Because you are selling a digital product, you can write down the name of the digital product accordingly. You can enter a photo over here of the digital product which you want to add. You can see other photos option over here as well. You can just go ahead and click on it, go to your photos over here, and you can find your product. After you click on it all, you can see that this is also the product I want to sell. So after you do that, scroll a bit down, choose a thumbnail over here. So after you have chosen the thumbnail, you can adjust it as well, and you can see the digital files. Buyers can download these files as soon as they complete their purchase. You can add up to 5 files. So this is the digital file I want to sell. Just go ahead and click on Add File, and you can add other files as well. So you can go ahead and add the file which you added up here. You can see that this digital file will be added as well, and you can see the description option over here. You can write down the description of your product. You can describe what this product is about, what it features, its advantages and whatnot. So you can do this, and you can see personalization. You can add your personalization, the collect personalized information for this listing. If you scroll a bit down, you can see the price of it, you can see the quantity, and you can see the add SKU as well. So this is a number, you can add it, and you can see the variations are here as well. If there are variations, it will be detected over here. If you scroll a bit down, you can see tags and attributes. You can see that you can add these types of attributes over here: the material type, primary color, secondary color, width. You can see the valuation method. You can see also all attributes as well. If you click on it, you will see all the attributes as well. So you can see the details over here. You can see there can be changes over here. You can change this and easily sell your digital product. So you can go ahead and see all of this. Click on Save and Continue and fulfill all your shop details. You can choose how you get paid, share your billing info, your shop security, and after you complete it, you can sell the digital product on Etsy. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.